Sarah was having a normal day in the city. She was shopping, drinking coffee, and enjoying her weekend. But in just a few minutes, everything changed. She lost something very important: her phone. She searched everywhere, but she could not find it. Then, a stranger called her friend Alex. Who was this stranger, and how did he find Sarah's phone?
It was a beautiful Saturday morning. Sarah decided to visit downtown and explore some new places.
I finally have a free day. I want to relax and enjoy my time.
Sarah walked through busy streets, looked at different stores, and stopped at a small coffee shop.
This coffee is delicious. Today is going to be a great day.
After drinking her coffee, Sarah continued walking around the city. She took some pictures and sent messages to her friend Alex.
I should show these pictures to Alex later.
About an hour later, Sarah wanted to check the time. She reached into her bag.
Wait, where's my phone?
Sarah checked her bag again. She looked inside every pocket.
My phone is not here. Oh no, I lost my phone.
Sarah started to feel worried. Her phone had many important things inside. It had her photos, contacts, and messages.
I need to find it. Maybe I left it somewhere?
Sarah walked back to the coffee shop first.
Excuse me, did anyone find a phone here?
The worker checked around, but there was no phone.
Thank you for checking. I will keep looking.
Sarah visited every place she went that morning. She looked near the stores and walked through the park.
Where could my phone be? I hope someone found it.
Meanwhile, a man named Michael was walking through the park. Suddenly, Michael noticed something on a bench. It was a phone. Michael picked it up and looked around. Someone must have lost this phone. I should try to find the owner. Michael looked at the phone screen. He saw a few recent contacts. Maybe one of these people can help. Then he saw the name Alex. I will call Alex. Maybe he knows who owns this phone. A few seconds later, Alex answered. Hello? Who is calling? Hi. I found a phone in the park. I think it belongs to Sarah. Alex was surprised. Really? Sarah lost her phone today. She has been looking everywhere. Michael explained where he found the phone. I will wait in the park. She can come and pick it up. Alex quickly called Sarah from another phone. Sarah, someone found your phone. Really? That is amazing. Where is it? Alex told her about Michael and the park. I cannot believe someone found it. I am so happy. Sarah quickly went to the park. She saw Michael standing near the bench with her phone. That is my phone. Thank you so much. I thought I lost it forever. Michael smiled and gave her the phone. You are welcome. I know how stressful it can be to lose something important. Thank you for being honest and kind. You really helped me today. Sarah checked her phone and saw all her pictures and messages were safe. I am so lucky. I will be much more careful with my phone from now on. Sarah learned an important lesson that day. Sometimes small mistakes can create big problems, but kindness from another person can make everything better. Michael was a stranger at first, but his kindness made him a hero. A good person can make a bad day become a happy day. And that was the day Sarah lost her phone, but found something even more valuable: kindness from a stranger.